Sponsored by VSK Business Consultant, your partner in business buying and selling. FAQ 14 key points. 1. Question: why should I trust VSK Consultant, a partner for years, with the sale of my business? Answer: trust is the foundation of our client relationships. We've been a reliable partner for years, operating with integrity, transparency, and a proven track record of successful transactions. Our personalized service and commitment to confidentiality ensure your peace of mind. 2. Question: how does VSK Consultant, with years of experience, build and maintain trust throughout the selling process? Answer: we maintain open communication, provide honest and realistic assessments, and prioritize your best interests at every stage. We understand the sensitive nature of business sales and handle them with the utmost discretion, building on our years of established trust. 3. Question: what is the very first step when thinking about selling my business? To establish trust with a long-standing partner, VSK Consultant. Answer: the first step is a confidential consultation with VSK Consultant. We'll discuss your goals, understand your business, and provide an initial assessment. This allows us to create a tailored strategy and build a base of trust from the very start, based on our years of experience. 4. Question: how does VSK Consultant, with years of service, ensure my business sale remains confidential, which builds trust? Answer: confidentiality is our priority. We use strict non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, blind profiles in marketing, and carefully vet potential buyers to protect your sensitive information, reinforcing our commitment to your trust, built over years. 5. Question: what factors significantly impact the valuation of my business, and how is trust kept in this process, with VSK Consultant's years of knowledge? Answer: key factors include financial performance, industry trends, customer base, intellectual property, and growth potential. We use a multifaceted approach to accurately assess your business's worth, with transparent reporting to ensure trust, based on our years of valuation expertise. 6. Question: what is the typical time frame for selling a business, and what influences it, and how does VSK Consultant, a partner for years, keep trust in this time frame? Answer: the timeline varies, usually from 6 to 12 months. Factors like market conditions, business size, and buyer availability affect the process. We strive for efficiency without compromising results, and we maintain constant communication to keep trust strong, leveraging our years of experience. 7. Question: how does VSK Consultant, a partner for years, qualify potential buyers before presenting my business, to ensure my trust is not misplaced? Answer: we conduct thorough pre-qualification, assessing financial capacity, experience, and strategic fit. This ensures we only introduce serious and capable buyers, saving your time and resources, while guaranteeing your trust, built on years of careful selection. 8. Question: what kind of due diligence should a buyer expect, and how does VSK Consultant, a partner for years, assist, while maintaining trust? Answer: buyers will typically review financial records, legal documents, and operational details. We assist in organizing and presenting this information transparently and efficiently, ensuring all parties maintain trust in the process, guided by our years of expertise. 9. Question: what are the common pitfalls to avoid when buying a business, and how does VSK Consultant, a long-time partner, prevent me from falling into them, to keep my trust? Answer: common pitfalls include inadequate due diligence, emotional decision-making, and overlooking hidden liabilities. We guide buyers through these challenges to ensure a sound investment, and we are transparent in all our dealings, based on our years of experience. 10. Question: what kind of support does VSK Consultant, a partner for years, provide after the business sale closes, to maintain our trusted relationship? Answer. We offer transition assistance, helping with introductions, training, and knowledge transfer to ensure a smooth handover and maintain business continuity, thus maintaining the trusted relationship we built over years. 11. Question. What financing options are available for buyers, and how does VSK Consultant, a partner for years, assist with that, while keeping the process transparent? Answer. We connect buyers with various financing options, including SBA loans, conventional loans, and seller financing, and provide guidance on structuring deals to optimize financing, with full transparency, based on our years of financial experience. Stay connected. For more expert advice and business insights, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Trust in VSK Business Consultant, your partner for years.